What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing cartoon burger and fries, so grab some paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Let's start by drawing the burger on the left side of our page. So we start with the bottom edge of the bun. Starting from the left side, we're going to draw a curve that comes down and then back up on the right side. Now let's connect these 2 points with almost like a half circle going up towards the top. So we'll start on the left. We're going to go up towards the top of the bun, round this out, and then come down on the right side. Now let's draw in the lettuce. Starting from the corner, curve out, and then pull that in. Now I'm going to draw a wave going over towards the right side. I'm going to go up and then down. I'm going to repeat this all the way across towards the right. Now I'm just going to curl this around and then back up towards the corner of the bun. Let's draw in the tomato. From the left side, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's connect those 2 points with a curve coming down and then back up. Now let's fold over some cheese. Starting from the left side, I'm going to curve out and then down. Now let's go all the way over to the right side and do the same thing. Curving out and then down. Now I'm going to connect these 2 lines with a curve going up just underneath the tomato and then back down on the right side. Now let's draw the burger patty in behind the cheese. So we start on the corner of the tomato. We start with a curve going out and then in, and then we'll do that again. Let's go to the right side. We're going to go in the opposite direction, curving around, almost like drawing a bracket. Now back on the left side, we're going to curve down and then up underneath the cheese. Now I just want to draw the edge of the meat coming down and then back up towards the right side. So start out here and just draw a series of these little curves. And we can vary the size. We can go a little bit smaller and then larger. And we can go up underneath the cheese. Now on the right side, we're just going to close this gap with another curve. Let's draw the bottom of the bun. Starting underneath the meat on the left side, we curve down and then in. Go to the right, go in the opposite direction. Now we're going to connect these 2 lines with the curve, coming down and then back up. Now we're going to give this burger a face. So on either side we're going to draw a small circle, one on the left and then one on the right. And at the top of the eyes we're going to draw an even smaller circle for a highlight. And then we're going to fill the bottoms of the eye in black. Let's move to the center and add the mouth. We're going to start on the left, we're going to draw a U, curving down and then back up. Now let's add some sesame seeds along the top. So we're going to add a series of little ovals, and you can angle them any way you want. I'm just going to work our way over towards the right side. Alright, now that we finished the burger, let's move to the right and draw in the french fries. We start by drawing in the box first. So let's start at the very top on the left corner of the box. We're going to come down at an angle, down towards the bottom. We want to match the height with the bottom of the burger. Now we're going to go straight across the bottom. Now we're going to go up and out towards the right. I'm going to line this up on both sides. From the top, so we're going to draw a short line coming in, and then we're going to draw a half circle in between. So we'll start on the left, we're going to curve down, and then up on the right. Let's add a stripe in the box. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to go straight across, we'll step down, and do that again. Now we're going to draw some thick french fries inside the box. From the top corner, we're going to step in, we're going to draw an angle line going up and out. Now we're going to go up at an angle, going towards the right side of the french fry, and we'll follow that same angle coming down in behind the box. Let's move over and draw another one, but we're going to angle this out towards the right. So we'll start down here, and go up a little bit higher. I'm going to angle down towards the right, and we'll follow that same angled line coming all the way down in behind the box. Let's draw a shorter one out here. We're going to go straight up, go up in a slight angle, and then pull that straight down. And then we'll add another one on the right. From the top corner of the box, we're going to step in, go up in an angle towards the top, and go up towards the left, and then we'll pull that straight down. Now we're going to layer some French fries in behind. Let's start up here. Start with a straight line going up, go across, and we'll pull that down. Set another one up here, going up to the top, come down at an angle, and in behind. Let's add the tip of one more just out here. Starting on top of this French fry, we're going to go up, and we'll go straight across. Now let's move all the way down towards the bottom and add the face. So we start by drawing a circle for the eyes on either side. We'll line this up on the right. I'm going to add that highlight circle at the top of each eye. And then we'll fill the bottoms in black. Let's add the mouth in between. Draw that U shape. Now we'll finish this off by adding some eyebrows. Above the left eye, we're going to draw a curve going up and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our cartoon burger and fries. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.